Oh, Master Ned. Now, says yes, MPP to Obama than a flag bearer. How do you have it over to criticize your man? We are Ken supporter. Says a party minimum the entire Kennedy. And that's Obi Hune Yohi. But said delegate back to Obama Ken. For what reason?
Me say, before current Ken supporters, maybe some chose almost MPP for.
Yes, majority.
And let me show you. Almost no come on SCS or MPP for me say. I na mumbai and I may ball like me ball or do me say because PA Ken supporter live be so. And kwasi asema no kan me ba. Mimbo video na hwese sankofo we. Wo mo ye nipakuo bi a wo say Ken and we ni asa nipa we mu omo baba be ka MPP ho a campaign am MPP atie waso.
Also watch me I the cassette can get up. Say hey be we free we can say madam me catch them. So me say Japan. We somewhere about Brussels because by the ano what me program in the whole VAT. Mo ba ni akofo. Some see ba me to me prosa or Brussels I don't know prayer. O ko bi obi ka. O ka to se ka ni nya media. What
Well, we are coming in no monster. I'm a native.
No, son, do so many minutes. Oh, VAT. I'm a bodyguard. I don't want to be assassin. More. What you like about me? As a man punching, block to say, you can't. Sorry for Jimmy from more. What you want about planning and yes, sir. Monsieur Bissimo. What was you on where? Men or someone make a channel. We are not to about the move. Oh, dear, stop me. A brain was Siadina, or trying to show the sea, and I'm going to be a culture. Now, that's a bit in your wall. A brain is some moon and I want you, or be able to buy you. But yet, near the shop, may say, Miss Sumba, we have to yes, may just a brain on the platform. Say a brain or bitch.
I do Solomon in the way, dear, shade we what dear. The nipa or the ma wo yes see a friend Rockman. Current ain't say nipa we. What for say akwa primaries ya to abewie and the candidate can when we or that campaign MPP.
No. And you see how bitter they are. I don't know why they are so bitter. Can supporters minimum they will be there they are so bitter. They are even worse than the NDC. Me they me pen say oh obi a wo hwa wo pe GhanaNsem na umpe MPP asem no just leave the party. Ebe ya Ken obey you call the uncle to the party and that's uncle joining Alan. Say Alan TUP. No do omon form no omon come anim. Dansa ombe wo MPP mu a ombe dis ankwase ade we. Hwe make the last thing. Say say na Miss Kolia na mko hu Baumia solution to the delegates problem. Na me say wow. Baumia dey say ko Ghana be 2050 and say 2040. Be do na manfo adwuma bia ko do that level no. Delegates asema ye kaka say na party ba ya amwa delegates but we say there be so far you need data system be for delegates. Why don't we put a data system? You be wo every delegates information in bibia see yetimi ye bibi bo delegate na we put it on that data until at a point you bet my review ni na say okay your constituency ha delegates e wa ha no okay yetimi the scholarship and money pado do say yetimi ma these people these opportunities we dey more let's help them. Like, me papa na dwena scientific way of approaching issues. Me hear am say nanti dey pa na manipa mpe sa nipa we asem. Na nipa mpe crazy people like obi a on fashion wo obeka kasa basa na ekoya nim eno anu no mo pe. Sometimes me reason say what is happening within the country? Critical thinkers and say they are
but you're not the wrap because you share program na se kwaye in fact
that's it. Mami first da me dey na don ko dey asema me kanyina so wadan foro no ahwe ni na afa di ye jai no mamu na no mic kawawa na wo besu se na menye ahwe ni ye beka me ma ho asem wadwe say political game no e wo formula so are you ready say obe play into the political arena obe ba be dia grow wo mu dia. And yes, you should be ready for everything. Now it's unfortunate. I can't say people will share 2 videos, no. And so more cast and na oko videos. Me no atim say, hey, mami wanye.
Karen, me say, Amma Williams, na me can video na sem no. Now she was not getting it. Na me can was you when I'm seeing BB. Until me cry video, now I deleted it. So I had to go back to my junk and recover the video. And I'm a forward the man. And she understood the reason why I was pissed about it. And I'm say, what you be a you could tell say from the get-go she was being sarcastic.
Yeah, very sarcastic. And apart from sarcasm, no person imply BB. I can't hide it behind Ken's comment.
Very good.
What's your about worry for?
Why are you so interested in about for Wali Ebegu? Now, me question na me bisa ni say asemono ya ka kire na what will she use that information for? And also another question.
There be so NDC ni. Nti se yenya ba umi ayire dia. Any yen force one fa bibi nwura na ire ne concern there's something there. And it's not coming from any other person second in Japan. And 10 years menya sa de ne dia ma menye. Na afa de why ye wie when your benefit na wie. Na afa de amanfo so apie attack wo de ne ye omobo. Ona me man na omoka omo ho asem. Na politics no you can say a dirty game sometimes no na adwen say. Any formula why ready so be dia grow wo mu dia be ready for everything. But the American say wadan for na don kwa hwe ni ye. Say the power obetime you am easily. Cause ania wotime 10 na nimu mienu no wotime say da bi wonye ni papa. Wotime 10 na nimu mienu ye no ho te say the afedo wono kwade wonye hwe wono kwade afedo won kwade na go protect Samira. But her first video don't say no see here no na afi wo be sa de na da bi dem say ni power we need delay you need to be careful. Right? Na me mfa so buo mo bia se obi a waye Judas ewe yemu a odi atro ese amanfo odin odi atro sa amanfo odin at the point o see a man 800 million so on resign $800 million one increase eska no at the point was in 1990 something okofa $3 million satam Ghana GDP saying so the ba party ni amanfo deny. So when you say nipa we are, why are ready to lie? So obet tenishi amanfo din. Send ye beya. No ni tumi a open obenya ntino. Obeya sa no manoa. De beba no. You get people hooking on to what he has said and also trying to denigrate other people. And one can I no. Na me last 2 weeks. I was last week. I'll call Joy. My last respect for him, what an end here. Or call Joy News. Omone ne kasa or catch and say he has no locus to criticize the John Dramani Mahama government because it's only 10 months old. And one I'm catching and said, "Wo, as I said, o pack no man akoye NDC ni." I said, "O fa o no ma o bi I said, party ni de o calculate my ni ntua o da koye NDC ni." Nebe then a whole flag bearer, a whole opposition leader for the MPP. Abeka kire yen say onu de onim 10 months na Mahama binded in 20 min ka hwe mfa ho ene wo opposition leader na wo ye ne say because see to abawi a campaigning strategy starts the following day you to abawi no so lose pa wo opposition e ho na wo sate no ma ti Mahama toto pa de ko wiem GhanaNsem issues over 5 point something billion ya say no say destabilize city no school nsem ne ade nyina kan si wo hu hwe nto ndi oni locals bia so be criticize Mahama government but oda so criticize ba omia na Akufo-Addo we are Ken supporter na nya otan bi de hye mu enye obi hu ahi na hye mu a I don't see the reason why you should support this man minimo dey pa na ujira so pass how they support Ken say oba o say mango hunting baby mango factory Yepe general policy on employment, I will say, Mekwa ha dawa hanji baby. No, Nasa no dia obi abetumi aye. Na Akufo-Addo one district, one factory policy na one dream. It was based on what? It was based on the raw materials within a community, within a locality, near their developer factory amount. And this say no kokura bottle ne why me be we. The American MPP for say, enyo tire. And no time out the time, Baumia. And ye bibi na beshe umua. I don't see the reason why I support Ken. Because unfortunately, we have to tell him, say, he's a disgrace to the party. He's a disgrace to the party. It's say, what no say no, what done enemy within the MPP party. Now, I say Obika executives no answer. What the munya botre? Executives say aka. Ye elected by umia wia. Obia o fata say o tra party ni mu bia betena. Obia o fata bia will be left out. Some people better opposition 100 years. Some kakwato party then nekra. We want principled individuals. And you're two-faced people. You're kohani abaha. Ken. Oh, you're that typical person. Now, hona ya na woman mudi na chimi hu se. Nti omu ntimi realize say sa akwa we. Aye ono ni na buso ni business interest nti no yes anoma we nyina. He doesn't have their interest at heart. Make I say 2024 oko bono side wo baby ko ka kire wo say delegates ni say then monya free party nim. Monya free party nim nti mama dey say this party should collapse. Sabre no Samira ba umia ka kire ni o ka kire delegates ni say ampa ebetuma ba say wonya free party nim. Now so say one to ababa MPP and retain power. So NDC ba benya bibia na woman of wisdom.
Check currents ɛnɛmy no ka say wo hu energy okuani bia kowu nsuo afa no wato nsuo mama nsuo na afa na ma wawu ɛdeɛ na aku papa ne se wo twa nsuo na kopɛ besia ɛde ne ba abɛkɔ SS wakohia ne nkwanhie wu.
Yes, Ken say sa no manyina wo hu say efisa mahama ban ne ban wo hu ade boni bia wom. And when you need locals be also criticize.
Abusiafo bia na mumu bi enhu ye. I would want to play the video. I have to put on my phone. But who ya? Ko ekwada kwa mi page ankasa no. Anopay ta kwa nso yem. Me na me for episode ko pie live bi so na me record ye. Akola CCS abayi wa ko school enra. Wa mefie. Oba ye. Ne maami ade atenye na ne yahwehwe na ye hu na ade atenye. Wonim say wo mobesi ko school mu hono mo no na akola no ye de na hye sa plastic chobos yi bi mu ama akola ne chobos ni mu ewu anopa we ya me say fortunately me copy a video so the video is on my page, go and watch it. And so can Japan say do mama buy she sit wonya bibia
was who and debio na on say bia we imani Ghana. We are NGO, CSOB now Okasa Asem is different. But opposition leader. Na
opposition no crasa who made the party name.
Yes. Opposition, somebody who wants to present himself.
So currently, Binduri, gunmen kill 3, injure radio station manager at night attack. And also can I say on T.
Can see one who but opposition only the biggest opposition
refugees are caught now a friend say Côte d'Ivoire, can say.
So, me say a hona me can say na you have no locus. Only who can be as lead the MPP party no. A hona watch say there be at the end there. Na say no here the party ni mawa. How are you going to wrestle power from the NDC?
On what grounds?
Somebody who cannot bite because say NDC no won sa show manum. Minim the amount won sa show manum. So no more business dealings so. Since cabinet so much amount say dey you, and that is why you are playing. You are playing around.
Opportunity. Me fan is be a Singapore ye. Me first time I make kohodi. Nana say oshe baby a o mine share. Be a matutu kwanya is a meaning I make a kako 40 countries. Na say Singapore ne beka ho a. Na me share the level of infrastructure in near me or what. Yes, I will say me more money. And yet you for no pay. Yenyan sapon ne say the nation Singapore your mind kete and crying so chen ho. Yes. In crying so chen kru no nyina omo mind nyina. Secondly, and crying population nipa won cry do so chen kru ho fo nyina o mind mu fo nyina. Omo population is 6.1 million. Accra say e cost 7 million and over. And omo population nyina is 6.1 in the country. 6.1 omo free o man mu ho. Ankasa ne 4.1 nti timamufu okra na abeka ho ama na kosro nti uhwe a omo ye oman a omo sapa in terms of land size and population na eniema me hu ye oman no mu a me take note nanka mi note in but na me mobile so. Singapore minor enya omo independence in 1965 from Malaysia. Ti Malaysia for them fancy di omo so say China kokonka sa area ho nyina. Ti omo kro na nkasa na e ka Malaysia ho 65 na Malaysia for ne ti omo man ma omo. Nti omo kitikiti bi e tare Malaysia for no omo minor ase. Ti akoye se Ghana nka ba bi ti se Axim anase sa area ho no mo ne half asini for na nka omo ti omo ho. Nti obi abeka se na sa omo yi de pasa wo hwa omo mom edru ba bi no omo ba Ghana no omo besua omo president ne yefre ne Lee Kuan Yew oba Ghana twice ebesua said ye Ghana ya hyehyɛ ye niema bi oba ha 64 and Osamba ha 66. Of course Ghana is one of the few countries Lee Kuan Yew omo president and visited twice as a leader in less than 2 years. Adia a strike me power Singapore the first thing me cultural shock meka se we see o ma bi so no hu bibia e ma ho dwiriw distance ne wa nearly 19 hours na obetwa nti umfa se odu ho no na e na omo time difference ne Ghana ne 8 hours nti yen ye koda no na omo sorry nana omo population 6.1 million o hwemu a omo di 64 years and above e doso nti kuro no adwuma bi ti se caterers nipa omo pepa krum nti so hwe aged omo population here aged mpanyimfo doso nti udu airport omo clean ho ne 65 years and above nkokrafo ne mrewafo ne clean airport won say had young people but omo ho na hu say adwuma enye den sa no nipa omo anyi nti omo 24% of the population no above 64 years. Obeko restaurant na maami a wo serve no or 70 years. Hwe o the pictures ni bia me twitwa ye ni. Akokra obeba be serve ni o. Who say Ghana enye likely so obeko restaurant na akokra serve because omo hu ni say youthful population no omo de also omo koye adwuma ede. But we mu no e wo so omo ye say na e mo omo keep you active. Nti omo hyehye no atwa butu wo Ghana. Say Ghana bia nkokrafo na nka ekodo no debi.
Is it attractive? Say, Bema, Abrewa say, wow, could it no? Be I knew I could know.
A cultural shock. And tin a friend cultural shock. Okohono, Muhuni say, women are fascinating. Say, o my yache. And ti Okoho Krano who are by you and then say, I then a young girl, or Juma, they say, I will serve a young girl, they also a active job. Sano Mohuno. Intuition for ye, I will Facebook ya. Emrewa for say, majority of Omo on. Waiters no do na yem no afo ene nkokrafo ene omo clinic veranda so no omo se omo ye active se ontena fie nti e ho no omo friend say lifespan se Ghana dey 61 years e ho no de unyini kura average 84-85 ansa na obi wu awu nti ebia di 90-100 omo nyini che enti wo se maami o gina ho ebi o 75 years on na serve or restaurant on na do aduane beba omo nante so slow na enti me ade a me hu ya ma me hu se won se obi o ha obetu kwan o ko holiday but me take observation of a niema bi ye different airport wo nyina ekon unche da hu nipa omo ye young so omo clinic ana omo serve old people eno ene ade ba kwa me hu ye eno omo population no ade ba kwa me se hu ye ne se omo ngo bebre omo fertility rate ewo form said the calculative fertility rate no say ohwa FTR no na che say oba bia nipa se na obetimi awo no omo ho no oba baako average no ntimi ngo more than 1 nti omo fertility rate ni 0.97
but you do omo wi bi da
there be Ghana de ye 4 say oba bia no average no obetimi awo 4 Singapore de no onu nru 1 nti oba bia 0.97 e je say bi ngo na mibusa me nanfofo na mehu omo ho sa den na omo ngo omo se omho no eniema wo be fam ansa na wa ba benyini career education nti wadwen wo so a oba akra nware bia na wo 35 years wa 1 nti one thing me observe ye ne se omo ngo ti ubekwa ko ready omo fertility rate no omo fertility rate wo form nti e ho kra no population na omo free outside ni bi na e wo kakra by Kromhofo ne de awo nya de a nti omo population in 1965 omo nya independence no me 1.9 million. Say residents na kasa 4 million. Nti e chese from 1965 ana Ghana ye be 5 million no. Ghana aba benya 35 million. Ye de 30 aka ho. Omo de no omo de less than 2 million aka ho. nti utimi hu say omongo for more than 60 years. For more than 60 years, almost just 2 million population na aka omo. Ghana the 30 million in that same space. Enti ano so ade ba ko a me observe here. Nana ofria no so a. Omo airport no, one of the biggest. Omo friend Changi Airport and Shanghai Airport. One of the largest and the busiest airport in the world. Mo amo pe no betima check. Information ni nyina verifiable. Nana na se me mo no community member. But adia me hu ya ne se wusi wo airport ho na se wuni makenkan a wan hu ya woni nipa bia ankasa ho no sa kunku ya attention please ebi ni ho omo airport no sound bia ni ho ho di na niam a mo hwe no TV so ye afidi a Ghana digital ka se de bai nti wudru ho na before so obekọ Singapore no 24 hours se obedu krumo no be send document bia ma no wa fele o fele a omo de battery si u data bia nti u ba ho anya ade so omo ba beje o passport onko immigration bia me enko je o passport no machine esisi ho no na o de fam na o hwe se the machine ne do so no a pacha omo ha uni lie bia so udu ho na do passport na scan information na o de ma omo before so obedu kromo no omo hu ne nyina se no kure bia ni ma o passport no ntimi mbie ma onko enti ho no nya ba bia ye kwaje o passport ne aka se ubewura kru dabi mfidie ni sisi baabia eno na ye omo immigration police fo ni gina akire baabi je se ubie na nkwa na omo hu se watwa ntro ana document ni irregular enti upa usi omo airport na onte kasa se machine bia kasa ena unkohia immigration officer bia